In today's video, we'll be discussing the importance of exercise and the ketogenic diet for older adults.
Maintaining an active lifestyle is crucial for healthy aging, and when combined with the ketogenic diet, it can have numerous benefits. As we age, it becomes even more important to choose exercises suitable for our age and fitness level. Low-impact exercises, such as walking, swimming, and cycling, are excellent options. They provide cardiovascular benefits without putting too much stress on the joints. Strength training is also crucial for older adults. By incorporating resistance bands or lifting weights into your routine, you can preserve muscle mass, which tends to decline with age. This can improve overall strength and mobility. In addition to cardiovascular and strength training exercises, balance exercises are essential. Activities like Tai Chi or yoga can enhance stability and reduce the risk of falls, which becomes increasingly important as we age. Now, let's shift our focus to the ketogenic diet. Before making any significant dietary changes, it's always wise to consult with healthcare professionals. They can provide personalized guidance tailored to your individual needs. The ketogenic diet emphasizes consuming foods that are high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. This dietary approach can have several benefits, including weight management, improved mental clarity, and increased energy levels. However, it's important to consider how the ketogenic diet fits into your lifestyle. Socializing and traveling may pose some challenges, but with a little planning and flexibility, you can still enjoy these activities while staying committed to your keto journey. Remember, each person's journey is unique. What works for one may not work for another. That's why it's crucial to work closely with healthcare professionals who can provide guidance and monitor your health throughout the process. By understanding keto, managing chronic conditions, focusing on nutrition, staying active, and embracing a keto-friendly lifestyle, you can age gracefully and enjoy a vibrant and fulfilling life. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, it's never too late to prioritize your health and well-being. If you want more information about keto, read the description down below or watch the next video on the right. Remember, you have the power to make positive changes in your life. Embrace the keto lifestyle, prioritize your health, and get ready to thrive in your journey to better aging. We believe in you. Until next time, take care and keep shining.